If you've come across Hekawin, Casyne, or Buzzroll Club, you're probably wondering one thing. Are these sites actually legit, or are they just another online scam? I took a closer look. Here's the quick verdict. At first glance, these websites look pretty convincing. They have clean layouts, attractive offers, and claims that can grab your attention. But that's exactly why it's important to slow down before signing up or spending any money. One thing that stands out is the lack of transparency. It's often difficult to find clear information about who owns the website, where the company is based, or how to contact real customer support. Legitimate businesses usually make this information easy to find. Another concern is the promises. If a platform claims you can make easy money with very little effort, that's a major red flag. In most cases, earning money online takes real work. There are very few shortcuts. I also noticed that trusted reviews are limited. When a website has very little online history or mostly vague positive comments, it's harder to verify whether real people are actually having good experiences. That doesn't automatically mean these sites are scams, but it does mean you should be careful. Before you create an account, deposit money, or share personal information, do your own research. Look for independent reviews. Check the website's age. Read the terms and conditions, and see if the company has a real reputation outside of its own website. If you're ever pressured to act quickly or invest before you've had time to think, that's another warning sign. Legitimate companies don't usually rely on urgency to gain your trust. So, what's the final verdict? Based on the available information, I wouldn't rush into using Hekawin, Casyne, or Buzzroll Club without doing more research first. There simply isn't enough trustworthy evidence to confidently recommend them. The lack of transparency and limited independent feedback make them risky choices. If you're thinking about trying any of these platforms, proceed with caution. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. And always verify the facts before making a decision.